Good morning everybody and welcome to another vlog. It's 20 to 11 right now. We are just headed to the fort, not the fort, we're headed to Castle Vale shopping centre because I need to take something back to B&M and Elisa wants to have a look in the toy shop. So we decided we're just going to go there. Elisa had her parents' evening this morning, which was nice. She had a very good report, which was very, very nice to hear, and I said that she could pick out a treat because she did so good. So we're going to go to the toy shop and get her something, aren't we?
Yeah, I don't want to get a treat, I want to get a toy.
Yeah, a toy treat.
What?
A toy treat. So she's allowed to spend £5 because that is how much I said that she could have. So that's what we're going to do now. Isa should fall asleep on the way. I normally go out in the daytime at this time because Isa likes to go to sleep at this time, and when we're out I find that he sleeps better. That's what we're going to do. We're meeting my sister there as well. Just as I thought, Isa is asleep. Elisa's singing. What are you singing?
We don't call around the rock.
And we are here in Castle Vale. We're going to go to TK Maxx and then Smith's and B&M over there. Okay, so we're in TK Maxx and we found some little toys that Elisa can choose from. So she's got this baby, this Enchantimals thing, a Polly Pocket, or this thing which is a bit broken, but I don't know. Which one do you want to choose? The baby? Hanifa's here. Are you happy because you get to have a nice peaceful shop?
Yeah, but I'm sure it's somewhere else.
Why?
I don't know, there's not that many shops here, is there?
Oh, beggars can't be choosers. oh. So we just got home and that was very stressful. Isa woke up in the worst mood ever. He was screaming all in Sainsbury's and I was like, okay, come on, let's just go. Go went to B&M quickly to get what I needed and returned that throw. I didn't keep the throw because I kind of didn't like it after I saw it in the pictures. I like it, but it's not exactly what I want. I feel like the Mongolian throws, they look a bit messy.
My baby loves my monkeys.
Oh, that's good. Elisa's got her little doll that she picked out and she's loving it. But that Mongolian throw, basically, I feel like it just looks too messy for the look that I want. I kind of want a more cozy, like, fur look. I don't know. I'm gonna get a new one. I saw one that I liked on B&M's Instagram, and I really want that. I looked for it today, but they didn't have it in. So,
Mommy, this could be my baby's bedroom.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And this is my mommy's bedroom.
Okay.
And my baby's bedroom.
Okay, can I sit here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a big rocking chair.
Oh, cool.
And you can rock your baby, my baby to sleep. While I go, while you babysit my baby.
I'm gonna babysit your baby.
Yeah, not right now.
Not right now.
But you will come in.
Okay.
And you can be my nan.
I can be the nan.
Yeah?
That's a bit early for me to be a nan, but okay. That would be fine.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get a really nice fluffy one. I kind of prefer that. Like, I feel like it's more therapeutic to have fur than a Mongolian throw. Yeah.
You have to you can't babysit right now.
Okay.
So you come to have a little rest for a while.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Level 2. But be careful, don't break it, okay?
Okay.
It's mine, okay?
Okay.
So when I rock you and when I was a little baby, and then I grown very tall.
And very big. And now you're a big girl, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're still my little girl. Anyway, so I didn't get it today because obviously they didn't have it in stock. So I'm gonna get it next time I see it. But now I'm about to reply to some comments on my YouTube account because I haven't replied to any recently because I've just been so busy trying to get editing done, trying to get cleaning done, and trying to, I don't know, juggle loads of things at once. My birthday was yesterday, so my house is still a bit of a mess. Isa just came in with this and took Elisa's baby and is putting cream on the baby.
But that's my baby.
That's your baby. Good boy. You're such a good boy. High five. High five. Yay, well done. Issa seems like he's in a much better mood. Alhamdulillah. Issa, you happy now? Look, who's that? Is that you? Put your tongue away. Are you copying him? Oh dear. I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. I need to do stuff, but I'm just feeling really tired right now. I just want to go to sleep. My house is a big mess. Like, this is my kitchen. This is the living room. And honestly, I can't be bothered to clean it right now. So I am about to have coffee and some cake. Probably going to share the cake with the kids because they will just attack me if they see me with it. So I'm going to share the cake with the kids, and then I'm going to tidy up as much as I can. So I'm going to make myself a nice coffee now. It's about 4 o'clock and I just fell asleep. Don't even know how, I just fell asleep. My husband's gone to the gym and these two have just been watching TV. I literally fell asleep for probably about half an hour, probably about 20 minutes actually. But I feel even more tired now because you know when you just have a little bit of sleep sometimes and you need more. I just feel really shattered right now. I could fall asleep again, not even gonna lie. But I gotta get stuff done. I haven't done any cleaning at all. Before I fell asleep, I was editing on there and I just knocked off on the sofa. So I am gonna go and probably start cooking now because it's like 4 something. So let's go and do that. I thought I'd give you a little update on what was happening. I've just made my Brazilian chicken with red peppers. Delicious. And now I'm making, yeah, Elisa's got some babies. Cute. And now I am making a mango salsa. So I'm going to put in some red peppers, mango, some onions and coriander and lemon or lime, I can't remember. Yes!
I like mango all by itself.
Okay, you can have mango by itself. I'll get you some, okay? Now I have some rice on to boil, just plain rice. Might add stock cube in there in a sec. He said no, don't play with that please, that's ouchies. Come on, let's go. No, hot. Alright, come on. Come here then. Mango salsa is basically done. I just need to add some coriander and then it will be ready to eat. So delicious. Isa, what are you having?
No.
Yeah. He's going to have some frozen food, but I'm going to make them a little smoothie as well, so they get all of their greens in. They just basically ate a whole mango between them. Go on, go in the other room. In this room, hubby is doing some damage control. Oh my god, these guys were eating ice cream cones before, and this is the mess that they made. kitchen is finally clean.
Mommy, you found baby.
Oh, Elisa got this hat with her smoothie earlier and it fits on her new baby, so she's very happy. Are you happy about that? Yeah?
Yeah.
I also bought this book from TK Maxx. It was $3.99. It is really cool because it's for first letters and numbers, and it's got all the letters, so that it can do like lowercase and uppercase, and they can obviously rub it out, and then it's got some examples of what each letter stands for. So this is exactly what she needs to be learning now. Well, this is what she's learning in nursery, so I thought this book would be perfect for her. It's got words in there and then numbers. How cool is that? And then it's got counting, so she can count them, and then it's got the numbers so she can recognize the numbers and then write the numbers. But how good is this? It's so cool. Colourful counting. How many crayons are there? So she has to count all the crayons. You want to count all the crayons?
1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
Yay! Good job. So that is really cool. It's time for bed. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Where's Elisa? I found you.
Hi, baby.
So, it took Isa 2 hours to go to sleep. I am so tired. I literally just had like the biggest sneezing attack ever. I don't even know why. I am about to make myself a fresh cup of tea. That is a cup of tea that my husband made an hour ago before he went to work. Because I thought Isa was going to go to sleep, so he was like, do you want a cup of tea? I was like, yeah, why not? Because normally he goes to sleep really well, but he didn't want to know tonight, and it was so frustrating. Oh my god. So he literally just fell asleep now, so I am going to make myself a nice hot cup of tea, and then I'm going to watch the results of Strictly Come Dancing, which were on on Sunday. But I watched a bit of it last night, but I fell asleep with my phone in my hand and forgot to set my alarm. It's lucky that I woke up at like 6 o'clock before the kids and before I had to get ready for nursery and stuff. I've been editing my video today, yesterday's one, and I just wanted to say that Pranzo is the nicest curry place that I've been to in a very long time in Birmingham. So if you haven't tried it, maybe go and try that, because I had the lamb curry. It was so tasty and the meat was so lovely and soft and tender and delicious, and the chicken, we had chicken starters and they were really nice as well. I realised that I didn't finish the vlog properly yesterday, I just said bye. But I had the best birthday, and thank you everyone for all of your lovely messages on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm sorry that I didn't reply to every single one. I try. But I find it so hard because I'm just running around all over the place trying to do loads of different things at once, trying to keep my house clean. But anyway, I'm gonna go and just chill out now and probably edit yesterday's video because I've got a bit left to do. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.